It's raining. Ah.
Hi, my name is Danny. My channel is Svenska Land 13.
Hey guys, it's Danny, of course. Who else would it be? It's just me. Well, I'm in my car and I'm sitting here waiting for like 7 o'clock to roll around so I can go into the school. Actually, I could go into the school whenever I want to, but there's nothing to do in there right now. So I'm just chilling in here. And how many days are there left? Like 11? Wow. Maybe 10 by the time you see. I don't know when this is going up. Maybe 10, maybe 11. At the moment, right now, there's 11 days. I want to see you, all of you awesome people out there, when I get to Sweden. Yeah. So, I want to see everyone, because that sounds like an awesome idea. Oops. So yeah, my project for Sweden, or whatever you want to call it, my Sweden trip is coming up very, very soon. And I'm getting really nervous, and I'm really excited because I want to meet everyone. But I am very, very nervous. I don't know. I love airplanes, but like the whole airport situations kind of scare me because I'm not very good in public, and well, at least here, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. I hope it's not too bad. My mind just went blank. I don't know why, but every time I turn on the camera, my mind goes blank and I don't know what to say. Because I'm so excited and nervous. I have so much to do here though. Because, let's see, today is Thursday. And then tomorrow is Friday, in which I have to do some school finals and whatnot. Yeah, I'll just go through my whole schedule for the rest of the month. So tomorrow I have finals, and then over the weekend, there's weekend, obviously, and then, the next Monday, I have finals as well, and then Tuesday my grandparents are coming over, or actually, Monday, I have finals, and we're gonna be celebrating my birthday, which was last month. Except, I guess my family thinks it was a good idea to celebrate more in this next week. So, all of next week, we're probably going to be celebrating stuff. I don't know why. My family's kind of weird. But, we're celebrating my birthday on the 13th. And then, Tuesday, my grandparents are coming over. Wednesday, I'm going to my cousin's house so I can ride some ponies and stuff. I like to ride ponies. It's raining really hard. And Thursday, I'm probably gonna go into school and pick up my yearbook. And Friday, I graduate. Ah, scary stuff, man. And then Saturday... Oh yeah, Friday night I have Project Grad, which is like a huge graduation party for all of the seniors here. And then Saturday or Sunday, we're gonna have a graduation party within the family. And I don't remember which day they were planning on having it. But they were talking Saturday, but since Project Grad is like an overnight thing, I don't know if I'm really gonna want to go. It is right next door to my house, but we'll see what happens. Yep. So Saturday, Sunday, Jacob leaves to Hawaii. Okay. And then that's Monday. Next Monday, I leave. My whole Sweden trip is happening on Monday. I will be arriving at Orlando on Tuesday. I'm in my car. I'm just like chilling here. Doing nothing. It's like raining out. Oh, there was lightning there. Right in that cloud up there, there was lightning. Scary! Actually, I love lightning and thunder and everything. Look at my eyes. Don't look at my face. What? I don't know what I'm doing right now. That's what's going on. Yep. Alright. We'll see what happens. Of course, I always say that. Hi guys! It's raining outside, and I thought I would make a video because I have nothing better to do. Mike went out to get some ice cream with his brother. It's raining outside. I'm watching, or I'm catching up on Frederick's videos. I have to support my best friend, obviously. I've got blue on my hand and a little bit of yellow because I got my cap and gown yesterday for graduation, woot woot, and we are allowed to, I'm just going to set it here, maybe. We can decorate our caps, so I took that idea and I ran with it. I've got my cap right here. Obviously, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna try this on. Hold on, sit right there. It's not quite done yet, but I've got it on me here somewhat. I don't know how it goes, but see my little Swedish lamb. Yeah. Alright. I just wanted to show you that. I thought it was kind of funny, and it's cute. I've been working on it since last night. It doesn't look that bad. And I've got 9 days until I get to leave, so woo! Yay! I'm so excited. I'm ready to get out of this place. I'm ready to graduate. I'm ready to go to Sweden. I'm so excited. Do you like my shirt too? Haha. I made that. I'm tired. And I'm gonna get going. Yeah. Have fun in your life. Okay. Bye.